Welcome to Tatumasi, another video on electrostatics. So in this video, I am discussing an MCQ, a multiple choice question. So we are discussing a MCQ. So here the question is, in most of the exams, in common entrance test or JEE, NEET, all these exams, these units and dimension are very important. So they usually ask multiple choice questions related to the unit and dimensions of physical quantities and constants and all. So in this video, I am discussing about the unit and dimension of epsilon 0. Epsilon 0, you know, it is the permittivity of free space. Permittivity is the ability to transmit electric lines of force. And its value is 8.85 into 10 raised to minus 12 Coulomb square, Newton raised to minus 1, meter raised to minus 2. How we are getting this unit and how we can write the dimension for this epsilon 0. Please listen. So from Coulomb's law, you know the equation F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 by R square. Now you can write epsilon 0 is equal to 1 by 4 pi F into Q1 Q2 by R square. Now I will write the unit. So unit and dimension we are writing from the formula. Already I discussed, when you are discussing a physical quantity, you have to remember 5 points. First is definition, then formula, unit, dimension, whether it is vector or scalar. These 5 points you have to learn. So when you are attempting for these type of exams, JEE exams or NEET exams, the concepts must be clear. Then you can do any type of questions. So that's why I am asking, when you learn a physical quantity, learn in depth. So the 5 points you have to learn. It's definition, formula, unit, dimension, and whether it is vector or scalar. So the definition, after that, once you get the definition, all other things, its formula, its unit, the formula you will write it from the definition. The unit, dimension, whether it is vector or scalar, that you can tell it from the formula. You got it? From the definition, you write the formula. From the formula, you can write the unit, the dimension, whether it is vector or scalar, all these aspects you can tell. No need to by heart anything. Learn the concepts, learn the fundamentals. Then you can do anything with these equations, with these concepts. It's really easy. So unit. So first of all you have to understand, for constants 1 by 4 pi, no unit. So you are not writing anything. 1 by force, it is Newton. 1 by Newton. You know the unit of charge, it is Coulomb. Again unit of charge, one more charge Q1 Q2, so into Coulomb divided by R square, distance square, so it is meter square. So that is Coulomb square, Newton raised to minus 1, 1 by Newton, Newton raised to minus 1, meter raised to minus 2. This is the unit. Very easy. Now I will come to the dimension. So dimension also we are writing from the formula only. Again there is no dimension for the constants. So I am writing the dimension. 1 by 4 pi, there is no dimension. So 1 by, what is the dimension for force? You know force is equal to mass into acceleration. Mass dimension m. Acceleration is Lt raised to minus 2, change in velocity by time. So Lt raised to minus 2. So m Lt raised to minus 2 into Q1. So one important point you have to understand is I is equal to Q by T, Q is equal to IT. From this formula only you are writing the dimension for Q Dimension for current is ampere. Some people will write it as I as well. So we are writing it as A ampere, T it is capital T. So AT is the dimension for charge. Very simple. I is equal to Q by T. Q is equal to IT. The dimension is AT. Dimension we are writing from the formula. So for Q1 I have written 180. Then for Q2 also again 80 divided by L square. Now I am, all the powers I am compiling by the law of exponents. So it would be m 1 by m raised to minus 1. Next is L. What is L square and L cube? There is no other L terms there. So L raised to minus 3. Then I am coming to T. So this T raised to minus 2 and T square. Here it is T square. So this T raised to minus 2 we can add it in different way. T raised to 1 by T raised to minus 2 is T raised to 2. T raised to 2 into T square, that is T raised to 4. Or you can add it like 2 minus 2. A raised to m by a, this is T square by T raised to minus 2. So A raised to m by A raised to n is A raised to m minus n, that is 2 minus 2, 2 plus 2, again it is 4. Then A square. A into A square. This is the dimension for epsilon 0. M raised to minus 1, L raised to minus 3, T raised to 4, A square. Please don't by heart the dimensions of physical quantities, this type of complex dimensions, because you may make mistakes in the JEE exams. So please try to write it. You write, you understand the formulas, all the concepts, then it is very easy to write the dimension. So there are a lot of physical quantities. You can't by heart the dimensions of all these physical quantities. But if you have it, some students are having very good memory. So if you can by heart, it means it's fine. You can save time. But if you are getting a new physical quantity that you don't know the dimension, you can easily write. If you know the fundamentals, it's very easy. So these type of units and dimensions, this type of IMCQs, you can get it in all competitive exams. So whether it is NEET or Common Entrance Test or JEE exams. So please learn it. Thanks for watching.